I'm Dr. Nazir Ahmed Bala. I'm scientist at Kashmir. I have been here to attend this international conference on climate change, which was held at Nangarhar University. The experience of this conference was, magnificent. The hospitality here has been, excellent. What we had heard back at home and what was the perception from the media, originality of that thing coming to this country. The education system is very good. The government has been doing quite good for past 3 years, and what we have witnessed here today in this conference. The Afghan government and the teachers and faculties at the university have been very committed to this cause to combat the climate change issue. And this, I hope, we can also be helpful to combat this climate change issues, because we being the foresters, as an outsiders, we can also help to frame up the policies for the combating climate change in Afghanistan. Thank you.